We can do turnkey solutions for a lot of our clients. You get different clients who need different levels of assistance. You'll get certain clients who want a simple box on a wall, which is fine. You know, it can be done with under a day. Minimal planning required, and site survey or some pictures, and we can work out costings and straightforward. Other aspect, you'll get guys who need a road closure in the middle of Nottingham City Centre, like Nottingham City Council. And in that case, it's a case of we liaise between the civils contractor, highways agencies, council, district network operator, which is Western Power at this time, for not only the connection but also the reinstatement and also health and safety. We can offer a turnkey solution for someone who just wants something, you know, that's minimal, up to someone who wants 10, 15 rapid charges. And at the minute, we're pricing substation works for Nottingham City Council as well, so it can be quite varied from a small project to quite a large project. So if people are looking to get DC charging equipment, they are more expensive, but it's worth doing the research on the actual manufacturer to work out how good their backup is in the UK. The main thing you find with DC charging equipment is normally if they have things that block cooling fans, debris, leaves and stuff like that will often cause an issue for the actual charge point. So if it's fitted correctly and debris doesn't get into the cooling systems and the fans, it's normally fine. Other faults they can find is, you know, problems with the guns damaged, or people just leaving them on the floor. A lot of that will be picked up by the back office provider anyway, because they'll have communication with that unit at all times. So sometimes before the fault's found by a user, the charge point manufacturer will know about it and can send an engineer on site to fix it or schedule it in for maintenance. The usual delays we find on commercial sites is if they don't own the actual land. So a lot of time it's landlord's permission. So a lot of people say, right, I want to have 5, 6, 10 chargers. They go, great, you know, you can price it, go down and have surveys, and all of a sudden the landlord goes, sorry, you're not going to have it. So if they don't own the actual building, it's best to get landlord's permission initially before they start the discussions, and then work backwards. After that, sometimes it's just getting the working schedule right. If they say we do stuff for NHS sites, we have to work out of hours or on their terms. So sometimes if they haven't got a shutdown plan for 3 months, then we can only install when that shutdown takes place.